Hello there. I'm so excited. Am I coming in clear? Am I coming in clear? I just want to get up here real quick to tell you guys I'm so excited. Let me tell you why. Let me pull it up real quick. Hold on. Okay. So I said I was going to I said I was going to do a giveaway on my YouTube channel when we got to 400 subscribers. And guess what? We are at 401 subscribers. Whoop whoop. It may not seem like a lot to you, but it is a lot to me because I remember when I had 0 subscribers on YouTube. I remember when I had 11. So 400 is a big deal to me. I am going to do a giveaway. Haven't decided what I'm going to give away yet, and I haven't picked the winner yet because we just hit 401. Just wanted to say thank you to you guys who watch and subscribe to my channel. I'm excited. All right, so next video, I'll let you guys know who the winner is. Bye! There's no right or wrong answers. Very good. It may a little bit, but not too much. All right. Hey friends, it's been a little while since I've seen your pretty little faces. But on today's video, we are making some bath salts. Are you ready? Because here we go. All right, so first we need to clean and disinfect our area. I just got off of my day job, so I'm still dressed in my work clothes because, usually I have on either sweatpants or jeans and a t-shirt, but I just got off of work and I really need to bust these orders out. So we are getting straight to it nonstop. Okay, so those containers over there, the red and white ones, well, the red and clear containers are different fragrances and different colors are going to go in each one of those. That's why they are separated. What I'm doing right now in that turquoise container is I'm actually measuring it out. And what I have found is if the bath salt is kind of clumped up, it changes the weight. So you kind of have to break it apart. And now that I have it measured out, we're going to add the fragrance and get to stirring, baby. Now, I do measure it out by a certain amount of weight because the minimum order for my wholesale purchases, you do have a MOQ, a minimum order amount. So that's why they are measured out first, and then we do everything afterwards. So, yeah. At first, I only offered like 1 pound bags. Of course, the minimum amount is more than a 1 pound bag, but you had to get them in 1 pound bags only. But then I got a lot of people asking about, well, what if we wanted to sell to our customers individual sizes, like one-time use? And I had so many people asking about it that I just decided to go ahead and purchase the single-use baggies, because at first I wasn't quite sure how much would be enough for one use and how much wouldn't be enough. So I started playing around with weights and seeing how much it would take to fill up a bathtub to either change the Jesus, I cannot get it out. That's my microwave going off. I had to see how much salt it would take to either change the color of the water or for you to even be able to sell the fragrance. So that's how I came up with the size bag that we use for our sample sizes. I don't have that bag size off of the top of my head, but if someone wants to know it, let me know in the comments and I will get that for you, okay? Or you could just go to my website at www.touchedbydiversity.com. Don't worry, it's listed in my bio. And you could just order a wholesale order and then I would make it for you. You can either use my name, or guess what? You can use your own company name. So basically, you take our product, we've taken all the guesswork out of it. We give you everything that you need to put on your labels, the shelf life, all of that good stuff. And you can sell it under your own brand as if you have made it yourself. Basically, we're just a manufacturer company that is dishing it out to you. It works. All right. And if you need help with selling or some marketing strategies, let me know and I will help you. I do plan on making some phone calls and calling up some of the people who are a part of my wholesale team. I'm going to call you guys sometime within the near future to see how sales are going for you, how's marketing going for you, and if you need any help with anything. I am quite busy, so sometimes if you don't reach out to me, you can get lost in the sauce because I have a lot going on. But just once you become a part of my wholesale team, you have my contact information. Reach out to me and I will respond back to you during our business hours. And yeah, like I said, I do plan on reaching out to you guys very soon because I appreciate your business. What I'm doing now is, well, I've talked a lot, so we kind of missed a lot. But I did add the color in, and the fragrance in, and all of that good stuff. Some of those already have fragrance in it. I just needed to add more. But I'm using 2 different colors on this one. I had someone who wanted to play around with the colors. So I thought that I was going to need a funnel. I thought using a funnel would be easier to help mix the colors up. And it, to me, became more of a mess. So I ended up not using the funnels towards the end, and I just scooped the different colors in as I went because the funnel was just, it was aggravating. I think I don't know, maybe I needed a bigger funnel. I don't know. But, excuse me, hold on, I got a cough. My asthma is getting the best of me. Because I am a smaller company, I don't have those big fancy machines. Everything is done by hand, so not every 2 products are going to look alike. However, they should weigh up to the same amount. All right, we do specifically put a specific amount per baggie in each baggie, but it's all going to come up to whatever you ordered or whatnot. Okay. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. We're mixing the colors pink and purple. I do use a powder color. I've found that the powder color works better with the salts, and then the liquid color kind of works better with the scrubs and wet stuff, but I'm still looking for a better type of a liquid color to use. I'm still using powder right now, but what I have found is you have to be careful when you add the powder color in because it does not show the true color right then and there. Over a couple of days of it marinating and oxidizing, it will get darker and brighter. So what I have learned to do is when people place their wholesale orders, because I do let you choose the color and the fragrances, I'll make a sample size, let it sit for a while, and then I'll be able to get the true color of what that is going to come out looking like. So those will get darker the longer that they sit in that bag. Usually, typically, after a week, it has basically reached the color that it's going to be. But yep, so that's what we're doing now. I got some leftover. I am actually going to put that to the side because I have finished fulfilling that order. I'll probably use that for myself, or if I make some more up, then I will use that. But more than likely, it is going to my self-care. So what you see me doing right now is I am putting the flavor, well, the scent, and I am also listing the date that it was made, because these products do have a shelf life. The shelf life is pretty long. It's about a 3 to 4 year shelf life. However, when we sell it, we tell our customers that they should probably get rid of it within a year. The reason being is because that's my shelf life, so that gives me how long I need to sell it. And so, yeah, basically. So, I forgot where I was going with that, but yeah, that's my shelf life. Yeah, so we are going to put the shelf life up there because I need to know when I need to discard it. And then when it gets closer to, like, if we only have a 2-year shelf life left on it from my end, then I hurry up and put it on sale, because I want to make sure that my customers have at least a 1-year shelf life. So sometimes when they buy the bath salts from us, the shelf life may be longer than a year, but we just tell everyone a year, get rid of it after a year. But you can tell when the bath salts have gone bad, because they kind of typically start to get dried out. Like, it looks a lot different. Like, it does not look the way that it normally looks. Like, it looks dried out and kind of cakey, and I don't know how to explain it, but if you've ever seen it happen, then you would know what I mean. But yeah. So we're actually working on a different wholesale order now. This is a part of Bree, you guys. I'm so tired. I just got off of work. This is a part of Bree's order. You guys have seen me packed. I think I packed her sample order so far, and I may have done her scrub so far. But she did come back and order some bath salts from me, so this is a part of her order. This video was actually recorded in May of 2023, May 10th to be exact. However, it is now, October the 26th, and I'm just getting around to editing it. But she did receive these products a long time ago. I'm just now getting around to editing the video. But this is a part of her order. So yeah, so let's get this out and done. Thank you again, Bree, from ordering from me. You will hear from me very soon. I do want to check on you to see how things are going. She did give me permission to be able to say her name and things like that. Not everyone is comfortable with me saying their names up here, and I'm totally fine with that. It's cool. But when people do allow me to do that, I like to do it. Okay. Okay, let's take a break from talking about business. Let's talk about something else. Do you guys watch the show that comes on Netflix? It is called Selling Sunset. That is my favorite show right now. I have binge watched all of the seasons. I am totally in love with it. I'm thinking about watching the other seasons, but if you watch that show, drop down in the comments and let me know. I think that it is a very motivational show for, like, when you're trying to start a business, or if you are in business. Even though it's talking about real estate, it is very motivational watching those ladies. I love that show. But yeah, I would love to know what shows you guys watch on Netflix and things like that, so we can have a little chit chat about it. That would be cool. All right, back to your regular scheduled program. We are back to business. So, with this order, those are the heat sealing bags. What you see me using, that little white thingy that's in my hand, that is a freaking lifesaver. So what that does is it helps seals the zipper to the bag, helps seal it, because sometimes salt gets trapped in there and it's hard to get it to close. But with that little thing right there, oh, it's gonna get closed. But at this point of the video is when I almost lost my cool, because the math was not mathing. Now, I'm pretty good. I'm decent with math. I'm not going to lie. I am not I'm not out here trying to say that I am the best person with math, but I'm good enough to get by. And I have calculated this stuff down to the T. Like, I know how many pounds she wants. I know how many bags I can get, divide those pounds in two, and how much each bag should freaking weigh. But for some reason, the math was not mathing. So I had to keep going back and back and back and doing it again and again and again. And then I realized that my scale takes batteries. So never noticed that, and then realized that I did not have it plugged up. So I had to change the batteries out because I couldn't find the cord to plug it up. And then everything went fine. Everything was well. All right. Yeah, so that's what happened. But anywho, I ended up getting it together after a few takes, and I think I did it off camera, or maybe it's in the next video because there are more orders that I have to do. She did order more than this. I just didn't want a super long video, so I'm going to break it up into multiple videos. Maybe on the next video, I seal them. If not, I did it off camera, but those are heat sealable bags, which means that you can tell if someone's opened them because the top will be torn off. Yep, but yeah. Well, you guys, that's the end of our video. Now it's time to clean up and get ready for whatever comes next. Just want to say thank you guys. I really do appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. If you have not, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Plus, we're doing another giveaway. I know I haven't said the winners for this one, but we are going to be doing another giveaway on the next video. I will definitely let you guys know. But the next giveaway is going to be at, drumroll, 450 subscribers. When we get to 450 subscribers, we will be doing another giveaway. Now, this giveaway is going to be smaller. Every time we get to 100, we will do bigger giveaways, and when we're at the halfway mark, it will be smaller ones. May the odds forever be in your favor. I hope you are the winner. I think the next time that I choose a winner, it will probably be, you must be subscribed, and probably the person who comments the most will be a winner. All right, until next time, have a good day, have a good life. Bye.